Santiago Jimenez. I admire Santiago Jimenez. He was born in Buenos Aires, Argentina, in 2001, but he represents Mexico because he grew up there. His father is Cristian Jimenez, a former football player. Santiago started his career in Cruz Azul, a professional football team in Mexico. He worked very hard and became one of the top young strikers in the country. His personality. Santiago is disciplined, humble, and very passionate about football. He is different from many players because he always shows respect to his teammates and opponents. Compared to other young players, he is more focused and mature, which helps him grow quickly in his career. I admire him. I admire Santiago because he never gave up on his dreams, even when people doubted him. He tried hard and proved them wrong. He is also a good role model for young people because of his attitude and values. Santiago Jimenez moved to Europe and now plays for Feyenoord in the Netherlands. He has scored many goals and helped his team win the Eredivisie. He is also part of the Mexican national team and is expected to play in the championship, scored important goals, and, and is one of the most promising Mexican players today. Predictions and think Santiago Jimenez will become a star in one of the top teams in Europe, maybe in the Premier League or La Liga. I believe he will continue to score goals and become on one of the best Mexican footballers in history. He may even be the captain of the national team one day. He has the talent, the discipline, and the heart to make it.